I am Abul Hussain. I have completed my MCA in 2022 and recently I finished manual testing training at STAD Solution. I wanted to share my experience with you. After completing my MCA, I knew I wanted to pursue a career in software testing, but I needed practical training to get there. STAD Solution was exactly what I was looking for. The course covered everything from basics of manual testing to real-world scenarios. The trainer was very knowledgeable and provided hands-on experience support, which made learning so much easier. One of the best part of STAD Solution is practical training. We worked on a live project and got to best test result real application, which boosted my confidence.